Hi everyone, here we've got an Oppo A15 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device, so how to force the restart. So actually we've got two different ways to do that. It depends if the screen is responding, if it didn't freeze, or if it freezes and you actually cannot do anything. So the first option is let's say the regular one. All you have to do is simply press the power button and hold it until you'll see proper options. So let me do it. Let's press it and hold it, and as you can see we've got this option bar. And all we have to do right now in order to soft reset your device is to simply tap on this dot and drag it to the restart option. So this is what you can do in order to restart your device if the screen is responding. And now let me show you another way to do that, and it is, let's say, a true force restart. If you cannot do anything on your device, all you have to do is simply hold the power button, which is right here, and also the volume up button. So let me do it. I'm pressing right now the volume up button. The volume up button and at the power button, and we have to wait until the device will vibrate. And it vibrated, it just vibrated, and as you can see we've got the welcoming screen, so it means that your device will just restart. So we successfully went through the force restart or the soft reset. So actually that's all. This is how to soft reset your Oppo A15. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.